So in this investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy high interest paying ETFs in Canada using Wealthsimple. Once the app is opened up, go to the bottom bar and select the magnifying glass. Once you're here, I want you to go and select on all categories. Then I want you to scroll down to where it says into the H's right here to where it says high interest ETFs and select that. Once you're here, you have a variety of different high interest ETFs to choose from. You can either do this in Canadian or American, whatever one you're looking for. In my case, I will just use Canadian. And how would I go to the top and I select CASH or cash? Once you have your high interest ETF selected, go to the bottom left and select an account. In my case, I will just use the TFSA as an example, and then press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can type in the amount or the amount of shares that you want to buy, or you can go to the top right and change your order type. I will just stick to market for this example. And if you wanted to buy, let's just say $2 worth, I would type in $2. It'll then show you how much shares that translates to. And if this looks good, you can press on review. Then once you're here, you can review the order. So you can just go ahead here and review the order. And if this looks good to go and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and press on where it says for me queue order. Or if the market's open for you guys, you can go to the bottom and press buy to complete the transaction this way. So that is how to buy high interest paying ETFs in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.